Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Just wanted to come back with a quick update. It's Saturday evening, and I thought I'd just shoot a quick video, guys, to show you that copy and paste ad system is still working. Everything is working fine here. It's actually just growing by leaps and bounds. I've got ads all over the place, and just about every day or so I'm discovering new places to post more ads. And I have a treat for you. When you join me, I have a company or a service, if you will. If you don't want to post ads, guys, you can get your ads posted for you. You don't have to worry about going out and doing any of the postings. I do have a service I can refer you to where they will do all the posting for you. All you do is provide your ad and your link. Whatever you want to be in that ad, this service will take care of that for you. So how about that? Okay. So once you join me, I will give you that information. Okay. So we're on the copy and paste ad systems sales page. This is a great little program that's super simple, easy. All you see is red, white, black in here. Okay. And a little blue. Okay, they made it real simple, easy on the eyes, but yet it pops. Okay, the fonts, they pop out. Okay, then the red, okay, lets you know, hey, start here. So everything with the times complicated, they've made it just super simple, even down to the sales page. You know, a little bit of verbiage, not a whole lot of hoopla, not a lot of hype. Not, anything showing you a bunch of money floating in the air, any of that, okay? Simplicity, okay? And it makes a lot of sense. And then you have the video here, 4-minute video, very short, but to the point. They even give you an illustration of how you copy and paste an ad, okay? Just that simple, real easy. Easy does it, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over. I'm not going to keep you long on this one. Just want to show you the progress that's still being made with it. This program is a one-time $149. $149 one time. You're going to make $100 every time someone purchases the copy and paste app. And they give you so much with this program. Okay, I'm going to thumb through here just a little, just so you can see you get all this, guys, with this system. It's a total system versus there's some copy-paste systems you may have seen in the past. Okay, this older systems, it doesn't give you a system. It just gives you a web page. Okay, with this, you get a whole complete turnkey system, back office, so you can track your sales. You're getting your pre-written ads to follow up with your prospects once they put their information in your system. Everything you need, capture pages, a 1-minute sizzle call. So again, it's an all-in-one copy and paste ad system. So that's one of the major differences. You have a support team. You have a Facebook group. The person that built this, the guys that put this together, they're very active in the Facebook group. Okay, so it's just not a system that's been put out on the market and you really don't know who's behind it. Okay, everybody's active in the group. Okay, so I'm going to go over. Let's come from here. Hang on a second. I'm just going to show you all the leads I've got coming in with this system. Okay. So let's take a look at what we've got for today. Okay. Let's go over to my email. Once you put these ads out here, guys, your ads, you can do traffic, you can do texting. Take a look here. Sign up came in while I was talking to you. It was 2. But anyway, look at all the leads. Okay, the leads come in like crazy. So you're gonna get people that are interested in the system. Let them go through your funnel, put in their name and email, and let the system do the selling and telling for you. Okay, so let me just show you. I was going to show you the 2 sales that came in this morning. Looks like another one has come in, but I'm just going to show you those 2 to let you know the system is working. Okay, hang on one second here. Okay, let's see. You can see right here, this payment came in while I was asleep, guys, at I believe it was 4:41 a.m. Right here, it tells you $100 came in from Stripe, and that was for copy paste ads. And let me show you the other one. Okay, 10:07. So one came in at 4:41 a.m. and the other one came in at 10:07 this morning on November the 10th. $100. Okay, I blurred out all the other information here, but there you have it, guys. $200. It looks like I have a third one in there. I've got to go check that one, but just want to show you guys this thing is working. Okay, copy paste ads, very simple. Again, I didn't realize it was going to take off as fast as it is. People are really gravitating to this simple system because it is simple. Okay, that's the reason. I had this in my ear. You can't beat copy and pasting ads. And like I said, I didn't realize all the places that's out here that you can use. And if you join me, I have discovered I have a service that was given to us in another program that you can use to place classified ads for you guys. If you don't want to place the ads for yourself, we have a done-for-you service that will place all your ads at a very reasonable price. Trust me when I tell you, very reasonable. I placed mine just the other day. Lots of ads all over the place that's out there now. I'm flooding the internet with places you wouldn't even think of. Never even heard of these websites. Okay, so once you join me, I'll be happy to share that service with you. Okay, so with that being said, that's all I want to bring to you today, to let you know the system is still working, and it's steady progressing, getting more and more people that are showing interest in this program, you know, every day. So what I'm going to do is put the link below for you. Go ahead and click that link. Go ahead and go through that funnel. Check it out for yourself to see how simple it is. And subscribe to this channel. And click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos too. Okay. And again, I've got a special service that you can use if you don't want to post your own ads. Okay. Done for you copy and paste service. Right, and I'll be happy to share that with you when you join me. Okay, I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.